Want to make a Musical.ly account so you can start posting your own Musical.lys? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Musical.ly account and giving you some extra info about eligibility for Musical.ly accounts. Now let's get started. To start creating a Musical.ly account, you'll need to install the app on your smartphone or tablet. You can download it for free on the App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android. Once you have it installed, launch the Musical.ly app. Now tap Create Account. You can sign up with a phone number, Facebook account, Instagram account, or email address. I'll be using the email address option, but choose whichever one works best for you. Now you'll need to enter your birth date. Keep in mind that if you're under 13 and enter your real birth date, you will get an error message saying you're not eligible for an account. Select your birthday and tap Continue. Now enter your email address, then tap Continue. Now you can choose a username to use for your account. Type in what you'd like your username to be, then type in a password in the bottom text box. When you're done, tap Continue. You may be asked to complete a captcha to verify that you're human and not a robot creating a spam account. Follow the instructions on your screen to complete your unique captcha. Tap Continue. Now enter your full name. If you'd like, you can add a profile picture. Tap the Add Picture button, then choose whether you want to snap a selfie or upload an image from your device's image library. When you're done, tap Continue. If you want, you can now import contacts to see if any of your friends are already on Musical.ly, or link your Facebook account to make it easier to connect with your Facebook friends on Musical.ly. If you don't want to use these options, tap Skip in the top right corner. That's all it takes to make a Musical.ly account. Now you can scroll through and watch popular Musical.ly posts or create your own. Enjoy! Now that we've shown you how to create an account on Musical.ly, here are a couple of things you should keep in mind. If you're under the age of 13, you're not eligible for a Musical.ly account. When asked to enter your birth date, if your birthday indicates that you're under 13, you'll receive an error message that says you're not eligible for an account. Even if you're over 13, by creating an account, you're agreeing to the terms that you're either over 18 or have permission from your parents to be using Musical.ly. If you're a parent and doing research about Musical.ly, we'll link an article with Musical.ly information for parents in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.